Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your headphone Sony keep disconnecting? So, to fix it, firstly I recommend it to try soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to firstly turn off your headphones, so press and hold power button at your left ear cup for at least 2 seconds. Here we go. Now your headphones are disconnected from your phone, and then we need to turn on it. So press and hold power button again, also for just like 2 seconds. And now your headphones will reconnect to your phone. So check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So also press and hold power button at your left ear cup. And after that, you need to press and hold at the same time power button on your left ear cup and play pause button on your right ear cup until the LED light flashed 4 times. So press and hold. Here we go. After that, we need to remove your headphones from your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device at the top. If you have iPhone, I recommend it to disable and enable Bluetooth, and after that press and hold the power button to turn on your headphones, and after factory reset these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. And right here we have it. Click on it and we have connection. Now, if this method also didn't help you, the last one what we can do is to reset Bluetooth settings. But if we do this, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks. So you need to know it. Firstly, I will show to you how to do this on your iPhone, and then how to do this on your Android device. So on your iPhone, go to the settings, and then scroll down just a bit. We need to go to the general. Right here, also scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. We need to tap at this line. Then click reset, select reset network settings, and write your password. After that, you just click reset network settings, and it can fix your problem with these headphones. Now let's move to Android device. On your Android, open settings, and then scroll down. You need to find system. Right here we have it. Click on it and scroll down again. Right here I have it at the bottom. We have reset options. Click on it and then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. On iPhone we have only one option, is to reset network settings, but on Android devices we have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So click on it and then you need to click reset, but it will also remove your Wi-Fi networks. But it can fix this problem, so you can try. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!